Okay, what do we got here? Hey, Matt. What's going on? What's Sarah doing to you? Hey? What's happening, Maddie? What's Sarah doing for you? She's got you nice little booties. Hey? Okay. Okay, Matt.
Matt, you want a treat? You want a treat?
Come on, Matt. Come on, come here.
I'm gonna go to bed.
Hmm?
Come here, Matt, you want a treat?
Come on, Maddie.
Come here.
Come on, Matt. Keep walking.
Go.
Walk nice, slow. Come on, walk. Come on.
Come here.
Come on. Come on, Maddie, walk.
Maddie, look what I have. Look, I have a treat for you. Come
Come on.
I'm actually gonna go get it. Just watch.
Come on, Maddie. What's the matter? Okay, go, get up and go in the kitchen. Get upstairs and go in the kitchen. Oh, she's used to it now. That girl, come on. Come on. She doesn't know what to do. Alright, come on.
Looks like a spider. Come
I know.
here.
Come on.
Yay.
It's like she's swimming. Like she's stuck. Okay, walk,
Maddie,
come on.
Come here. Let's go, Maddie. Come here.
Come on, Matt.
Hey, come. What do you want to do?
Come on, run.
You want to go for
Run.
a walk?
Run.
You want to go for a walk? Do you want to go for a walk? Do you want to go for a walk? Okay, come.
Atta girl, see now you're used to it.
You're getting used to it. Okay, now we're gonna.
Well, if you're gonna,
No.
Sarah.
Come here, Maddie.
No, walk around the house
Maddie,
because
come
you
here.
don't know whether she's gonna have it. That's a walk.
Come on. Practice. Oh, this is torture. This could be humane society material. Maddie, come. Come on.
Go with Sarah. Come on, Maddie, go.
Apple? Do you want some apple? Come.
Go, Maddie, go. Come on, go.
Do you want some apple? Apple, Maddie.
Come on. Maddie, come on.
Maddie, do you want an apple?
Go see Sarah. Come on, go.
Hey, you want an apple? Come.
You still got that one. Doesn't know what to do with that one there. Okay, Matt, all the other ones are out now. You can go now, Matt.
Okay, Maddie.
All the other ones are out now, Matt.
Come here. Okay, come.
Hey, she doesn't realize it, Sarah. Oh, no. Atta girl.
Oh, Maddie.
Okay, man. We tortured you enough. Okay.